you're going to find that you have 2 retainer pins. Go ahead and pull both of those out. There's one. Set that aside. Do the same to the other one. At this point, we're going to grab onto the assembly, carefully pull it out and away, and then we're going to remove our wiring. Come right over to this one, give it a nice twist. Check your bulb, make sure it's in good condition. Now is the perfect time to go ahead and replace it if it's needed. Give this one a twist. Carefully pull that out of there as well. There it is. When you remove the bulbs, be very careful not to touch them with your bare fingers because the oil from your fingers will make the bulbs go bad faster. Now let's go ahead and do the same to the other side. Now that the headlights are out, let's reach down in here and remove this pigtail. Now looking down along this area right here, you can see that there's a clip and then one below it as well. We're just going to use a nice long screwdriver, grab onto the tab that's along the side, squeeze it, and then you can go ahead and draw this away a little bit. There's another one here and another one down in there. Let's get the ones along the front as well. And then of course make our way down to the other side and remove those clips as well. There we are. Now that we have all those tabs off, let's go ahead and remove this from the truck. So now looking at the back side of this, you're going to notice on both sides you have the area where your directional lamp's going to be. We're going to have to remove this from the assembly, so if you were to come right where my fingers are and squeeze these tabs, and then push the lens out through the front, and then right down along this side right here, you're going to find another little clippy-do. Go ahead and push on that, and then remove the lamp. Do the same to the other side. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new lamp assembly. When we do this, we want to, of course, make sure that our tabs line up with their corresponding holes. Pay attention to that. Let's go ahead and line it up. You can see right up along here, it's starting to line up. Go ahead and push it right in. You should hear it click, and then we'll do the same to the other side. So now let's get this back onto the truck. As we bring it in, we want to make sure that all of our clips line up with their corresponding holes on the truck itself. I'm going to start near the center here, line up all those. Go ahead and push those in. And then we'll move our way along to the sides. Make sure that your bulbs are out of the way. Line up your clips and go ahead and push them all in. Let's go ahead and reinstall our directional bulbs here. There we are, that one's locked in. Do the same to the other side. Let's go ahead and start reconnecting in our bulbs. Twist that right in there. This one comes in and under here. We remember that. Line it up. Give it a nice twist to lock it in. Let's do the same for this one. All right. Now we're going to carefully put this in. You want to make sure that you don't put a tug on this line right there. That's for your hood release. You should be able to see the tabs come right in and through behind there. Now once we have both those tabs through, let's go ahead and put in our retainer clip. Make sure that you have your little tab facing towards the back of the truck. Just going to line it up with where it needs to go and then slide it right down. Do the same for both.